Word, Module 3, Claim Flyer. Go ahead and open up the file. Go ahead and enable the editing. And if your paragraph marks are showing and you want to turn them off, just click the Show Hide. So the very first thing we're going to do for this one-page flyer is to select all of it. Right now it's very short and it doesn't catch anyone's attention because it's the same font throughout. So Control A and just increase the size to 12 and then select the title, and the title will be size 36. And then the subtitle will be size 16. And then there's going to be 3 titles that were side headings. We're happy to help you, more ways to file a claim, and what to expect. So you can do them all at the same time. So you can select the first one and then hold Control and select the next one. Keep the Control down and select the third one. And the font size for this will be 18. And if you'd like to change the font color, you're welcome to do that. Put it in bold. If you want to add a border under each of the lines, you can do that as well. Again, with the title, if you wanted to change the title's color, you could do the same thing in bold. Whatever you'd like. If you want to add italic, it's your desire to choose whatever you'd like for the font. This is getting submitted through Blackboard, so you can be very creative. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a smart art object. So click in the middle between the last 2 paragraphs and you're going to click Insert, Smart Art, and we're looking for what's called a process, and the one that they would like is called a staggered, and if you hover over it does say it, staggered process, and go ahead and click OK. And you just, right now it's pretty large, we're going to change the size of it, but you're going to click each content placeholder and then just type whatever is showing in the book. And then continue with the next one. To add a new process, go ahead and right click and then choose Add Shape and choose Add Shape After, and go ahead and fill in this one. And then we need to make it smaller so that it all fits on one page. So you can go to the diagonal and then just stretch it so it goes onto just one page. And it's up to you if you would like to change the colors. And you can also change in Smart Art Styles. They have some 3D effects that you could select. Just make sure whatever you decide to select or choose, it still remains on one page. The next thing we're going to do is after Springfield mobile app, so go after the D in Springfield, and we're going to add what's called a registered trademark symbol, which is the circle with an R in it. So a registered trademark is a trademark or a logo that has been registered with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. So this is going to have a trademark R. So choose Insert, Symbol, More Symbols, and then you'll go to Special Characters, and there's Registered, and click Insert. And then I'm just going to move this because I want to put another one right here on Springfield mobile app, the second occurrence, and again Insert, and now I can close the symbols out. The next thing they want is the telephone number to stand out, so if you want to change the color, add something that makes it brighter, bold, that's fine. And the last thing is to put your name as agent in the footer. So click Insert, Footer, choose the very first one that's blank, and then it's a placeholder where it says type here. Just begin typing agent, colon, and your first and last name. To exit the footer, just click Close and exit header and footer. And at this time, if you'd like to go into design for page borders, and you can go into art, and they have some pictures in the beginning, but if you scroll all the way down, you have different letterhead features with patterns. You can change the colors of them. I'll go with the purple. You can make them either thicker or thinner. I just wanted to make sure it all fits on one page. and then click OK. If at any time you chose a footer and you couldn't see your name, if you were to double click to be in the footer, you have an area where you can adjust the footer at the bottom, so it brings it either down or up so that you can see it, see your entire name. And then lastly, if you wanted to add a page color, you're welcome to do that. And let's look at as a one page, and that is definitely much different when we first opened it. And that's a save and submit. Thank you.